everyone, this is Parul and I love sharing the joy of yoga with everyone, be it adults or kids. And today I want to share with all of you how do I explain yoga to kids. So I often ask kids this question in my yoga classes, what do they think yoga is? So the answers that I get from kids is, they'll tell me yoga is stretching, yoga is exercising, yoga is meditating, yoga is calming, yoga makes them happy. So in a way, yoga is a combination of all this. So how do I explain yoga to kids? I will explain them that yoga is a combination of physical exercises, relaxation, meditation and breathing practices that will make our body strong and help us relieve stress and make us happy. Or yoga is a way of exercising our body, breath and mind all at the same time. Yoga means unity. Union of body and mind. Yoga makes our body strong and our mind relaxed. Yoga helps us become our own superhero or supergirl. So if you know any other interesting ideas to explain yoga to kids, let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to my YouTube yoga channel for kids, Bliss Yoga Kids. The link of that is in the description below. And introduce your kids to the wonderful world of yoga and let's help our kids establish healthy habits early. I will see you again. Thank you so much. Namaste.